Good afternoon. This is Tommy Bonavita, as well as Jacob Lane and Aubrey Fitzharris. And our project, we will be talking about Reddit. Reddit is a network of communities in a non traditional social feed. It is also user driven as opposed to an algorithm based. Its also popular vote system places media with high traction at the forefront. In addition to that, scale and audience. Reddit has over 2.2 million subreddits composed of 1.21 billion monthly active users. It also has most users in the United States, responsible for over half of the website's traffic, which is 51.75%. Lastly, users select their communities based on their personal interests rather than being swayed by influencers.
So how is Reddit organized? Reddit is sorted through a different variety of ways. Specifically on the homepage, it shows what is hot, what is new, the top postings, and what's currently rising. Each have a variety of different posts through public subreddits that anyone can join. Each subreddit utilizes upvotes and downvotes to shape the type of content that is shown. In having such a system like Karma, it shows how credible a user is regarding what they post and how relevant it is to the subreddit that it is posting on. Reddit's culture has users who value authentic and transparent posts, which just is basically that they want to know what they are viewing is relevant to what they believe and what they like. Users prefer expertise and helpful posts from companies who use the site. They also strongly dislike spam posting and low effort content. If you're posting the same thing in all subgroups, then they'll find it, they'll see it, and they'll downvote it, showing that it's irrelevant and that it's not worth viewing. So, what to avoid? Reposting the same material across multiple subreddits. As previously stated, this can lead to downvotes or even a kind of breach into breaking rules, which is the next point. Ignoring or trying to bend rules in any type of way. Subreddits have pretty strict guidelines of what to do and what not to do. At least the majority of them have such rule listings. So if you try to deviate outside of that, obvious consequences would be post termination or at the very least like a strike of some sort. And then trying to be overly influential to the point of kind of like you're begging for people to buy your product. It's not a good look and can lead to people just completely ignoring you or like downvoting your post to where it disappears. Posting content that is unrelated to the subreddit that you are trying to be a part of, this is a problem as you're not going to be posting outdoor products in a kitchen subreddit. It's just not a good look. And then all of the above will lead to downvotes of posts, causing material to be pushed to the bottom of the listing or even removed by the subreddit. And it can also lead to a breach in trust with the public or who you're trying to get outreach to.
Best practices for success on Reddit. Stay consistent over trying to be placed in the trending or hot categories. Find multiple subreddits that are similar and engage in them on a regular basis. Track the posts in each to see what is doing well and what isn't. Try and respond to a majority, if not all, comments and questions. Thank those who have good feedback and ask why for those who leave negative feedback. Continued. Be transparent and open to criticism. Promote first through expertise. Share what was learned from previous ventures rather than straightforward sales pitching products. The primary sources we used are similarweb.com and our own brand.co. Thank you for watching.